Hi, this is Lucia, and this is Harley. We are here to unbox Artefex panel, which is one of my favorite surfaces to use when I paint. Let's open it, Harley. Check it out. What's in here? Check it out. Let's see. Artefex ship their panels so well, and their packages so well. And they even use these little corners to protect the edges of the surface. They are just amazing. 16 by 16 acrylic prime panels, which is my favorite. And this is, it's honeycomb construction. It's aluminum, super lightweight, rigid. One of my favorite surface to use. I first got introduced to Artefex panels about a year ago, painting for the Event Gallery 5x5 projects, and ever since that I just love the surface. It's smooth and it's rigid, and it's also very absorbent on the paints. So paints stay amazingly well on the surface, and because they're super light, they're so easy to ship. And they also have some of these 8x8s, which I painted a whole series of yoga chicks on. If you can see, it's aluminum construction in the back, super easy to paint. And then I'll show you an example of these yoga chicks I painted on. So I probably painted about 30 of these, and all different positions of yoga chicks on these panels. Let's make it super light. And what can I say? I love these surfaces. Thank you, Artefex, for sending me this.